As Brian Tracy writes, the most important part of achieving great success is not the money, it's the kind of person you have to become to earn that money and hold on to it. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Avid Wisdom. This is the summary of the book called The 21 Success Secrets of Self-Made Millionaires by Brian Tracy. Watch this video till the end. This might be a life-changing video. In this book, The 21 Absolute Unbreakable Laws of Business Success, Brian Tracy drew on his 30 years of experience and knowledge to present a set of principles of universal laws that lies behind the success of business people everywhere. In every kind of enterprise, large and small, the 21 Success Secrets of Self-Made Millionaires shows how anyone can cultivate the habits and behaviors that will enable them to achieve not just financial independence but success in any area of life. Let's quickly see the 21 Success Secrets of Self-Made Millionaires. 1. Dream big dreams. The first secret of self-made millionaire is simple. Dream big dreams. Allow yourself to dream. Allow yourself to imagine and fantasize about all your career goals and the kind of life you would like to live. Practice back from the future thinking. This is a powerful technique practiced continuously by high-performing men and women. This way of thinking has an amazing effect on your mind and on your behavior. Here is how it works. Project yourself forward 5 years. Imagine that 5 years have passed and that your life is not perfect in every respect. What does it look like? What are you doing? Where are you working? How much do you have in your bank? What kind of lifestyle do you have? So dream big dreams. So dream big to live big. Develop a clear sense of direction. When you become efficient at problem solving, your life starts to flow like a lazy river. A river that carries golden business opportunities to you at every turn. Take your dreams out of the air and crystallize them into clear, specific written goals. Perhaps the greatest discovery in human history is that you become what you think about most of the time. See yourself as self-employed. Accept complete 100% responsibility for everything you are and everything you will ever be. Refuse to make excuses or blame other people for your problems or shortcomings. Stop complaining about things in your life that you are not happy about. Refuse to criticize other people for anything. You are responsible. If there is something in your life that you don't like, it's up to you to do something about it. Do what you love to do. Doing what you love to do is one of the greatest secrets of financial success. One of the primary responsibilities in life is to find out what you really enjoy doing, what you have a natural talent for, and then to throw your whole heart into doing that particular work very well. Commit to excellence. Leaders have specific responsibilities and must fulfill certain requirements. One requirement of leadership is the ability to choose an area of excellence, just as a good general chooses the terrain on which to do a battle. An excellent leader chooses the area in which he and others are going to do an outstanding job. The commitment to excellence is one of the most powerful of all motivators. All leaders who change people and organizations are enthusiastic about achieving excellence in a particular area, work longer and harder. 75% of the time in any work environment, there are never-ending distractions and interruptions and telephone calls. Your job at work is to create chunks of time by using good time management and getting things done by motivating yourself in the office. Doing hard work at the office will help lead you to better productivity and greater success in any job. Dedicate yourself to lifelong learning. Your ability to expand your mind and starve for lifelong learning is critical to your success. By dedicating yourself to learning, you can get ahead in every aspect of your life. All it takes is a commitment. The most successful people read an average of 2 to 3 hours per day. They belong to organizations that encourage learning the most current information and share ideas. Learning is the minimum requirement for success in your field. Information and knowledge on everything is increasing every day. This means that your knowledge must also increase to keep up. Pay yourself first, as part of all earning is yours to keep, and if you cannot save money, the seed of greatness are not in you. W. Clement Stone. Resolve today that you are going to save and invest at least 10% of your income throughout your working life. Take 10% of your income off the top of each paycheck each time you receive one and put it into a special account for financial accumulation. The fact is that if you save just $100 per month throughout your working lifetime and you invest that money in an average mutual fund that grows at least 10% per annum, you will be worth more than $1 million by the time you retire. Learn every detail of your business. Learn every aspect of your business, every economy, every function, every single nitty-gritty of your business in order to be a leader in your business. Have that edge of knowledge over your competitors. Dedicate yourself to serving others. Your reward in life will always be in direct proportion to your service to other people. All self-made millionaires have an obsession with customer service. They think about their customers all the time. They are continually looking for new and better ways to serve their customers better than anyone else. Keep asking yourself these questions. What do my customers really want? What do my customers really need? What do my customers consider value? What is it that I can give my customers better than anyone else? Why is it that my customers are buying from my competitors? And what would I have to offer them to get them to buy from me instead? Be absolutely honest with yourself and others. Having honesty and integrity in the workplace is one of the most important qualities of great leadership in business. Leaders keep their promises. They give promises carefully. And once they have given that promise, they follow through on that promise without fail, and they always tell the truth. Jack Welch called it candor. He believed that if you are afraid of candor, then you don't have the guts to be an effective leader. Determining your highest priority and concentrating on them single-mindedly. When you develop the habit of setting priorities and concentrating single-mindedly, you will be able to accomplish virtually anything you want in life. Your ability to determine your highest priority and then to work on that high priority until it is completed is the primary test and measure of your willpower, self-discipline, and personal character. It is the hardest habit to develop, but also the most important if you want to be a big success. Develop a reputation for speed and durability. Time is the currency of the 21st century. Everyone today is in a tremendous hurry. Customers who did not even know that they wanted a product or service want it yesterday. People are less and less patient for anything. Loyal customers will change suppliers overnight if someone else can serve them faster, and then the people they are currently dealing with. Instant gratification, as they say, is no longer fast enough. Your job is to develop a reputation for speed, develop a sense of urgency, develop a bias for action. Move fast on opportunities, move fast when people want and need something. Move quickly when you see something that needs to be done. Be prepared to climb from peak to peak. All business lives is made up of cycles and trends. Your career will be a series of ups and downs. Develop a long-term perspective. Don't get into an emotional roller coaster with the short-term ups and downs of daily life. So always be prepared no matter what stage you are in. Practice self-discipline in all things. Self-discipline requires a mastery, self-control, self-responsibility, and self-direction. Successful people are more concerned with pleasing results. Successful people do the things that are hard and necessary and important. Everything in life is a test. To keep it in simple words, self-discipline is to do things necessary even when you are not feeling like doing it. Unlock your inborn creativity. You are a potential genius. Your ability to succeed is unlimited. Your creativity is stimulated by intensely desired goals, pleasing problems, focused questions. Your creativity is a muscle. Creativity is just one word for improvement. You need to understand this very important thing, that there will not always be a straight answer. You will always have to find creative ways to solve the problems that you are currently facing, rather than trying to find an easy answer somewhere else, because there will never be one. Get around the right people. 85% of success and happiness is determined by the quality of relationship you develop in your personal and professional life. We take on the attitudes, behaviors, values, and beliefs of the people whom we associate with most of the time. Choose your inner circle with care. Be a go-giver rather than go-getter. Take excellent care of your physical health. Set a goal to live a healthy life until 80 or 90 years. The 3 keys of living a long, happy, healthy life are proper weight, eat less and exercise more. Proper diet, eat better food and fewer of them. Eat more lean protein, fruits, vegetables, eliminate sugar from your life. Proper exercise, engage in vigorous physical activities for approximately an average of 30 minutes per day. Be decisive and action oriented. The key to triumph is to try. Law of probability. If you try far more different ways to be successful, the odds are that you will eventually find the right way for you at the right time. Never allow failure to be an option. The fear of failure is the single greatest obstacle to success. Success lies on the other side of failure. Every act of courage increases your courage and capacity for courage in the future. Pass the persistence test. Persistence is the iron quality of character. Program your subconscious mind for persistence well in advance of the setback. Resolve in advance that you will never give up, no matter what happens. Be willing to persevere longer than anyone else. Recurring crisis is inevitable in life. You cannot control the outcome, but you can always control the response to difficulties and setbacks. Remember one thing in life, that it's not the very talented who wins, but the ones who are relentless and persistent enough to keep learning, persistent enough to keep doing things even when there are no easy answers. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Please comment down below and let me know if you like this video and if you have any suggestion for our channel. See you till the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.